Hi, I'm Maddie, the community manager here at Ustas, and I wanted to walk you through a quick example of a web page that does an exceptional job of keeping visitors engaged and turning clicks into real inquiries. Here are some key strengths of the page behind me. We have an uncluttered navigation bar so people can find what they're looking for fast, a clear, relevant H1 that says what the company does so people know they're in the right place. We have a calm and clean layout that is easy to skim. People have an obvious next step with our multiple call to action buttons. There's real human written copy and visuals that really just show what they do. And then we have some more call outs to their specific services and even some certifications and rewards that show authority, which gives clients even more trust signals and why they should partner with you. So when a page is clear, it holds onto the attention that you've already earned from SEO, Google Ads, and social. So visitors feel confident they know what to do next, and they're much more likely to reach out. So if you want to keep more visitors from slipping away in 2026, clarity like this makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching. Bye.